We are revealing 5 most impactful use cases in smart manufacturing for digitalizing operations. Used together, they can pay for themselves in just 2 years. Autonomous mobile robots for automation in your whole production chain. Collaborative robots for more efficient and safe operations. Augmented reality for more efficient quality inspections. Asset condition monitoring to decrease downtime. Digital twin for visualizing your operations. Remember, smart factory is based on connectivity. A strong and reliable connection enables fast flow of data, and 4G and 5G private cellular networks offer just that. High speed, low latency, even within dense environments. To find out more, read our report, Connected Manufacturing.